Now, who doesn't love to eat? It's been a pastime of mankind for a long time. Now, when you think about food, well, it has to be preserved, and the more skillful you are at it, well, the more you have to eat. And modern technology has made preserving food easier than ever. You can easily freeze fruits like these luscious, plump little blackberries in bulk to keep on hand year-round. Simply lay out your fruit on a cookie sheet, place it in your freezer until they're frozen solid, then transfer them into bags for long-term storage. While freezing food is a relatively modern way of preserving it, there have been some other things that we've done in the past that are more conventional, like canning. Canning is a time-honored way to preserve fruits and vegetables, and all it requires is heat and a glass jar. Not to mention, it makes it so easy to share the bounty with others. After all, who doesn't enjoy sharing a can of their very own freshly made pickled peaches? Yeah, right? Of course, there's drying. Drying's been around a long time. It's great for herbs and other things like fruits. You can dry herbs by hanging them outside in the sun. Once dried, they can be crushed up and stored for use as seasoning. These are just a few examples of food preservation that I use. It's a way to take the bounty of the garden and spread it across the entire year. If you have a favorite way, I'd love to hear about it.